The article explores the spiritual meaning of owls and their symbolism across various cultures. Here are some cultural examples. 1. Native American culture. Owls are believed to be spirits of deceased ancestors or messengers between worlds. 2. Japanese and Chinese culture. Owls symbolize good fortune, protection, and abundance. 3. Ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Owls were revered as symbols of wisdom, courage, and supernatural wisdom. 4. Jewish religion. Owls are sometimes perceived as unclean birds or symbols of desolation.